On Friday, I went from this, a hero, to that, zero. I ended up taking a blast from the market, and in this short video I'm going to show you exactly what happened. On Friday before NFP, I did analysis on most forex pairs which went perfectly in my bias, took trades but ended up losing my account. Please watch all the analysis that I did, trades that I took, mistakes, and what you should never repeat in your forex journey. Do subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. The first pair we are going to be analyzing is GBP card. So looking at GBP card on the daily time frame, this is how the chart is. I'm going to pull up the line chart so we can mark out our zones. This is the zone we are expecting GBP card to pull up to before the drop. We are expecting a drop all the way to this point. On today's NFP, these are the zones on GBP card. We expect a pull up to the resistance and a drop all the way down to the support. So you just analyze based on your lower time frames, then expect a sell on GBP card. The next pair we are going to analyze is AUD card, and this is it on the line chart. We expect price to pull up to this zone and a drop all the way down to this zone. So this is the support and resistance. These are the zones on AUD card. The expectation, this is what we're expecting on AUD card, a pull up and a drop all the way down here. So just analyze from the lower time frame, marking up your stop loss above this resistance and your take profit all the way down here. That is the support. So the next pairs we are going to analyze is the JPY pairs. So Euro JPY. Let's mark out our zones first. So we are expecting a pull up on Euro JPY. Just a small pull up to this zone on the daily time frame to these zones. Yeah, so price is currently trading below the zone. We expect a push up during the news to the zone and a drop all the way down to this neckline. On Euro JPY, this is the expectation. The zones are resistance and where you can take your profit. So we expect a drop. Just analyze on the lower time frames with your stop loss above the resistance. You make sure you wait for the news to take place before you jump on the trade. Always watch out, wait for the news to take effect, then you see the direction before you jump in. So this is the expectation on Euro JPY. We expect a drop, first a pull up, then a drop from this zone. The next one I'm going to take is another JPY pair, which is card JPY. The JPY chart has been dropping for some days now, so we expect a drop on card JPY too. On card JPY, this is the expectation, the zones that we expect price to react at before the drop. So we are expecting a pull up to either this zone or the top resistance before a drop all the way down. So my bias on most of the JPY pairs is a massive sell. The next pairs I'm going to be analyzing is the USD pairs, and I'm going to take GBP USD. These are the zones we expect price to react at, the resistance and the support. I already did a video, but I think it was not recorded. So I had to leave the zones on and just explain. This is the zones, the resistance, and the support. Price is currently trading below the resistance, so we're expecting a pull up to the resistance and a massive drop on GBP USD. So during NFP or the news, you just have to wait for the news to take effect. Watch out for the candlestick formation, then you jump on the trade on your lower time frame. So this is my bias on GBP USD, expecting a massive drop. Price has been trending upward. So on NFP today, we're just expecting a small drop or a sell on most of the USD pairs. The next pair is AUD USD. And these are the zones, the resistance, and the support we expect price to react at. Price is currently trading below the resistance, so we're expecting a pull up to the resistance, then a massive drop to the support. This is it, my analysis on AUD USD, the zones and the expectation. So you analyze on your lower time frames, check out, make sure the news takes effect before you jump in. But I'm expecting a whole drop on most of the USD pairs because USD has been on a run all the way up. So NFP today, we are expecting some corrections, a retest, then maybe next week price will continue or resume its normal trend, which is the upward trend. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and watch out for sells on most of USD pairs. This is it, my analysis, expectations, marked zones, and what we want to see during NFP today. As I said on the analysis of GBP card, there will be a push up before NFP. So on Friday, this was the account. I deposited $12, made 2.92 cents. This is how the account was looking. So it is now around $16. So this is it, the buys that I'm taking, and I'm hoping to take profit. Up there, you can see the trades running. I also took some volatility trades. So this was it, how the whole trade was running. This was way before NFP. So I was just hoping for the push up. Then later on, I will go for the sells. As said on the analysis, it went way perfect. Yeah, the buys, see the chart. You can see I'm way up in profit, secured, running profits. This is the chart. Yeah, trades from 14 USD to 28. Account doubled. You can see. This is the history on the account. Yeah, it was not looking good. I ended up over leveraging. The volatility trade went in drawdown and ended up closing the buys, which were way into profit on the GBP card with just small profit, you can see. So the account went down. I lost it. Couldn't even have enough to trade the sells on the GBP card. So I couldn't get the trade as predicted. That was the mistake I did. You make sure you don't repeat that in your trading journey.